Welcome to our guide on how to create a budget and stick to it. In today's fast-paced world, managing finances is more important than ever. A budget is a plan that helps you manage your money, set financial goals, and make smart financial decisions. In this guide, we will take you through the process of creating a budget step by step, and provide you with tips on how to stick to it. Step 1. Track your expenses. The first step to creating a budget is to track your expenses. This means keeping track of everything you spend money on, from your morning coffee to your monthly rent. You can use a simple notebook or a budgeting app to record your expenses. Once you have tracked your expenses for a month, you can categorize them into different categories, such as housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and so on. This will help you see where your money is going and where you may need to make adjustments. Step 2. Determine your income. The next step is to determine your income. This includes any money you make from your job, side hustles, investments, or other sources of income. Once you know how much money you're bringing in each month, you can begin to create a budget that works for you. Step 3. Set goals. Before you start creating your budget, you need to set goals. Decide what you want to achieve with your budget, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or building up an emergency fund. Set realistic goals that you can achieve within a certain time frame. Step 4. Create a budget. Now it's time to create a budget. Use a spreadsheet or budgeting app to create a budget that allocates your income to your various expenses and goals. Make sure to include any bills or recurring expenses that you have, and leave some wiggle room for unexpected expenses. When creating your budget, it's important to prioritize your expenses. Essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries should come first, followed by discretionary expenses such as dining out or entertainment. Remember to budget for occasional expenses such as car repairs or vacations. Step 5. Stick to your budget. The final step is to stick to your budget. This is the most important part of budgeting. Review your budget regularly to make sure you're staying on track, and adjust your spending if necessary. Avoid impulse purchases and unnecessary expenses, and make sure you're saving money each month towards your goals. Here are some tips for sticking to your budget. Avoid temptation. Stay away from places that tempt you to overspend, such as malls or online shopping websites. Use cash. Paying with cash can help you stick to your budget because it's a tangible way to see your money leaving your wallet. Set reminders. Set reminders on your phone or calendar to remind you of bill due dates, or when it's time to review your budget. Be accountable. Share your budget with a friend or family member who can help keep you accountable. Reward yourself. Set aside a small amount of money each month for a treat, such as a dinner out or a movie, to reward yourself for sticking to your budget. Conclusion. Creating a budget and sticking to it can be challenging, but it's an essential skill to master if you want to manage your finances effectively. By tracking your expenses, determining your income, setting goals, creating a budget, and sticking to it, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is not about deprivation, but rather about making smart financial decisions that allow you to live the life you want.